Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Huawei Freebuds SE2 with your Android phone. Open the charging case and remove both earbuds. Open Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and click and hold the touch sensors on both earbuds. Keep holding until you find your earbuds on the list. Click on them and accept the pairing. Now we are successfully connected. You can also try to get the AI Life application for them. If you can't find it, open your browser and search for the AI Life app from the official Huawei website to download it. I already have it, so I won't download it again. When I open it, I can find the earbuds on the list and click on them. If it takes too long, I recommend performing a soft reset of the app. Simply turn it off and on again. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it.